Imagine a massive, modern, corporate office building. Security there isn't just a single locked front door, right? It's a totally coordinated, intelligent system. We're talking badge readers, security cameras, and roving guards, all constantly communicating with each other. That is exactly how we need to think about Microsoft 365's holistic threat protection. Okay, let's look at the agenda. We've got 5 key areas today: M365 threat protection, the Defender XDR suite, Defender and Purview integration, core threat features, and finally, threat intelligence.
Section 1. M365 Threat Protection, focusing on unified security.
So as businesses move to the cloud, the office isn't just a physical building anymore, it's literally everywhere. And this massive shift totally expands the attack surface. Relying on isolated, siloed fragments of security is kind of like having guards who never talk to each other. Attackers today aren't just using simple malware. They're using advanced techniques like phishing and credential theft. Microsoft 365 takes these incoming attacks and basically runs them through highly advanced AI and machine learning defenses. By unifying security across workloads like Exchange Online, Teams, SharePoint, and OneDrive, we ensure the end result is a completely safe workload for the user.
Part 2. The Defender XDR suite, offering comprehensive security.
To manage all of this, we rely on the Microsoft Defender XDR suite. Think of XDR as an elite, perfectly coordinated, rapid response team. They don't just stand guard hoping to prevent a breach, they're equally skilled at post-breach investigation, rushing in to contain an incident if something actually manages to slip through. Defender is broken down into 4 core components. Attackers often use multi-stage campaigns, right? They might start in an email, move to an endpoint, steal an identity, and then access a cloud app. Defender correlates the signals from all 4 of these areas to give you a complete, unbroken narrative of the attack.
First up is Defender for Office 365. In plain English, this is the shield for your email and collaboration tools. Now, for your AP 900 exam, you absolutely need to understand scenarios exactly like this. If an employee gets an email with a link to a fake sign-in page, Defender for Office 365 detects and blocks that malicious link before the user can even click it. It's an absolute lifesaver. Next is Defender for Endpoint. You can think of this as a security guard stationed directly at the employee's computer or mobile device. Let's look at a real-world example. Say ransomware secretly downloads onto a user's laptop. Defender for Endpoint instantly detects that malicious behavior and automatically isolates that specific laptop from the rest of the corporate network, stopping the ransomware dead in its tracks.
Then we have Defender for Identity. This component strictly monitors signals from your on-premises Active Directory. Why does this matter? Well, if an attacker steals a user's login credentials and tries to sneak laterally across the network, what we call a pass-the-hash attack, Defender for Identity catches that suspicious behavior and immediately alerts you, the administrator.
The final piece of the XDR suite is Defender for Cloud Apps. Think of this as a supervisor discovering shadow IT, which is really just a fancy term for the apps employees use without IT approval. If an employee tries to secretly exfiltrate or move confidential corporate files to a personal unsanctioned Dropbox account, this tool flags the activity and stops the data leak right there. Moving to Section 3, Defender and Purview and their unified workflows. You are going to hear Defender mentioned alongside Microsoft Purview all the time. To separate these in your mind, think of a retail store. Defender XDR is the loss prevention guard at the front door tackling the shoplifters. Purview, on the other hand, is the compliance auditor in the back office, making sure all the company's private data is properly labeled and securely handled. A crucial point for your exam is understanding this exact comparison. Purview is not part of the Defender XDR suite. Defender handles threat detection, stopping the bad guys. Purview handles data security, but they work perfectly together. For example, Purview can automatically apply sensitivity labels to block confidential data from being shared externally, while Defender monitors for the attacks themselves.
Section 4. Core threat features and how they address attack vectors.
Imagine a highly automated corporate mailroom. It doesn't just pass every single package straight to the CEO. It meticulously scans, X-rays, and sorts out the dangerous packages first. Here's the exact flow for anti-phishing. Incoming email arrives and enters the Defender scan. We use spoof intelligence to block fake sender addresses and impersonation protection to stop emails pretending to be your executives. What's absolutely vital here is a feature called Safe Links, which actually rewrites and scans URLs at the exact moment a user clicks them. If it's malicious, straight to quarantine it goes, resulting in a protected user. You absolutely must know the specific definition for the AB900.
zero-hour auto-purge, or ZAP. Sometimes a highly sophisticated malicious email actually makes it past the initial filters and sits right there in an employee's inbox. But when Microsoft's global systems identify that new threat moments later, ZAP retroactively reaches into the mailbox and completely removes the malicious message, even after it was already delivered.
For anti-spam and malware, we use admin logic. Look at this flow. Spam or malware hits your transport rules. Now, transport rules are just custom instructions set by an administrator. For instance, you could write a rule that automatically quarantines any email with a .exe attachment or completely blocks external emails containing the exact keyword wire transfer. Once that logic is applied, the user only ever sees a safe, filtered inbox.
Finally, Section 5, Threat Intelligence and Proactive Protection. This entire concept is a lot like advanced weather forecasting. It's not just about having an umbrella to stop the rain today. It's about analyzing atmospheric data to anticipate a massive hurricane days before it ever even forms. All of this predictive power comes from the Microsoft Threat Intelligence Center, or MSTIC ecosystem. And the scale here? It's absolutely staggering. MSTIC gathers actionable insights from over 65 trillion signals every single day from all across the globe.
What makes MSTIC so powerful is the combination of human expert researchers and AI. They process those 65 trillion signals to proactively track nation-state actors, which are government-sponsored hackers. They constantly monitor underground dark web markets for stolen credentials, and they use endpoint telemetry to adapt global defenses in real time. If a brand new attack starts in one region, global defenses are automatically updated within minutes. It's a real game changer.
Now, as an administrator, your window into this massive intelligence is Threat Explorer. This is a real-time investigation tool included in Defender for Office 365 Plan 2. It gives you up-to-the-minute data on email threats as they are actually happening, rather than relying on delayed static reports.
For the exam, you need to understand the exact workflow in Threat Explorer. Step 1, you view the real-time threats. Step 2, you pivot your investigation, meaning if you find one bad URL, you can instantly pivot and search to see who else in your entire organization received that exact same URL. Step 3, you see the delivery status, allowing you to actually delete those malicious emails directly out of the user's inboxes before they can cause any harm.
We also have Threat Analytics. This is a curated library of intelligence reports written by Microsoft's top security researchers. These reports are mapped directly to the MITRE ATT&K framework, which is essentially a globally recognized encyclopedia of known hacker behaviors. This helps organizations perfectly align their internal defenses with the exact techniques attackers are using right now out in the wild.
Which brings us to our final thought. Is your security truly holistic? Passing the AB 900 exam and, honestly, more importantly, securing modern cloud environments absolutely relies on understanding this unified, AI-driven defense posture. Because when your tools communicate and share intelligence seamlessly, you aren't just reacting to threats anymore. You're staying entirely ahead of them.